Have you been sitting on the fence thinking to yourself, should I or shouldn't I go to the Great Legal Marketing Summit? Have you been hoping to hear a little bit more about the agenda and the people that are actually going to be at the event, including the speakers who will be on the stage? Well, congratulations. I have a little bit of information that I'd like to share with you. If you don't know me already, I'm Charley Mann, the Chief Marketing Officer over at Great Legal Marketing, and the reason I'm standing in front of these superhero pictures has nothing to do with my natural interest in comic books, though that's part of it, and more so that I want to tell you about our superhero lineup of speakers at the summit this year. Now, if you don't already know, the summit is our special two-day live event being held on October 21st and 22nd in Arlington, Virginia at the Renaissance Hotel. Travel to it is super easy. All you have to do is fly into Reagan National Airport, and we're mere minutes away with shuttles to the hotel directly. But that's not why you're here. You want to know more about the people that will be on the stage. Well, first and foremost, I want to tell you a little bit about the event itself. So this event over 2 days is essentially two events put into one. What I mean by that is day one is its own themed event. We are talking about the most important marketing funnels for a law practice. Now, what I mean by a marketing funnel is we're not just talking about, traffic, getting a bunch of people to go to your website or just getting a bunch of people to sort of show up at an event or something like that. We're talking about how to take that traffic, those potential leads, and turn them into actual leads and clients. How to create a system that allows them to funnel in to your marketing system and get filtered out so that way you end up with a line of clients, a pipeline of clients leading straight to your practice. We want to show you how Ben Glass himself, the founder of Great Legal Marketing, got all of this started. And Ben will actually be sharing his own story and how he went from creating just a small free report to a whole system involving books, multiple mailings, email marketing, etc., and laying all of that out for you so that way you can go ahead and duplicate the system that Ben and thousands of others attorneys have used in their practices to grow and strengthen their marketing. So day one is entirely themed around showing you how to accomplish this in your practice. So I already mentioned our featured speaker, Ben Glass, with two brand new sessions on this subject, showing his journey start to finish of how the marketing started in Ben Glass law and how it works now, so that way you can, wherever you are in your journey, pick something up and add to what you're doing. Additionally, we have Tom Foster talking about internet marketing because we do acknowledge that it is important to get more people into the funnel, and your website is an excellent way to do that. So we want to help you get more people traveling to your website to enter this funnel. Then yours truly will be talking on some copywriting and sales tricks, some of the psychology and little tactics that you can use to ensure that more people who show up at your website or who view one of your print ads or get a piece of direct mail from you actually become a lead and ultimately become a client. Our keynote speaker this year is Miss Lee Milteer. Lee is the creator of the Millionaire Smarts program and has helped thousands of entrepreneurs open their minds to brand new possibilities. And if you didn't already know, mindset is one of the most important key elements to long-term success in any business. But we found that for our solo and small firm attorneys, it has been that magic key that just unlocks something for them, because honestly, so many attorneys are told, just do good work and the cases will come. And as you and I know, that's not the end-all be-all of marketing. So it's important that you hear this message that Lee has for entrepreneurs like you who are interested in expanding their practices and really just taking what they have and multiplying it just through a few changes mentally. Then we also have, and I'm very excited about this one, Mr. Dave Fries, Mr. Business Black Ops himself. Dave is an estate planning attorney in Pennsylvania who also runs his own business for entrepreneurs and small businesses, and really is one of the kings of subtly creating marketing messages that can explode and capture so many new clients and prospects for your business. Dave has a lot of insight into the psychology of consumers and will be sharing some brand new information for you at the Great Legal Marketing Summit. He's one of our most dynamic speakers and was at the event last year in one of the breakout sessions, and everyone was so excited about him that we brought him back and put him on the main stage. So all of day one will be focused on these marketing funnels with these special speakers. Then on day two, we have a very exciting sort of pick your own adventure morning planned out for you, where there are going to be multiple sessions going on at a time in what is called our breakout sessions. So over the course of 4 hours, you'll be able to pick your set of 4 sessions out of 3 at a time. So what I mean by this is, starting at 8 a.m., there will be 3 separate sessions occurring. You get to pick the one that fits your practice and your needs the most. Repeat at 9, 10, and 11 a.m., creating your own track specifically suited to your needs and solving the problems that you have in your practice, totally tailored to yourself by selecting from our high-quality speakers, including Colin Lynch, the project manager over here at Great Legal Marketing, who will be talking about systems and how we've systematized so much of our marketing using a program called Infusionsoft. Jay Henderson on hiring. Vance Morris, who will teach you how to Disneyify your practice. Vance actually worked at Disney for a long time, and so he has unique insight on how to take some of these concepts that Disney has that they keep growing their business, whether it's a recession or not, and acquire these brand new Marvel properties, like some that you see behind me, and has turned them into massive franchises and great experiences for people. And he's going to show you how to take some of that magic that Disney has created and use it in your own practice to create an unbelievable customer service experience that will have clients referring their friends and family to you through the roof like you never imagined before. Foster Web Marketing will have their own breakout sessions going over specific internet marketing topics. So if you feel you didn't get enough of it on day one, you can invest in yourself and get more of it on day two. And I'm sure Tom will have some folks from his team like Zach Stone and some of the other folks over there, some of the SEO specialists will be talking about how to get more traffic to your website. Then in the afternoon, we have our Rocking Marketer of the Year contest. So the reason this excites me so much is because we're going to give away $10,000 to someone that is right. You can quote me on it. $10,000 presented in a check to the winner of the Marketer of the Year contest. And this is really cool because you will see actual practicing attorneys, folks just like you, and they're going to show off some of their most valuable marketing strategies and how it has grown their practices. And you can then take their exact battle plans and put them to work in your own practice. You're going to see plenty of real examples of how you can improve your marketing and just follow the same path that the winners are already following. Then Ben will be hosting a special Ask the Experts panel during the afternoon of day two, in which we're going to have some Great Legal Marketing members on stage, longtime members, some of our top members, who you can ask your questions of Ben and our experts about the marketing in your practice to get some valuable insight into problems that you may be facing that these folks have already solved. And that will be how we conclude day two. A lengthy question and answer, making sure that for you, our audience members, we have customized the experience and given you exactly what you need. So day one, all about marketing funnels, an important message that we are so excited to deliver. Day two, pick the problems that you need to solve the most and find the solutions for them through the breakout sessions, through our Ask the Experts, and through our Marketer of the Year contest on day two. All in all, this is going to be an incredible event. Here's the thing, we believe in this so much that we're putting our 10x guarantee behind this. If you don't believe that the information that you uncover for yourself and your practice at this event is worth at least 10 times the amount that you paid for the event, we will give you a full refund plus $500 towards documented travel expenses. That is our guarantee, and we stick behind it. And oh, by the way, if you go ahead and sign up, don't worry. We have a full refund policy on cancellations up to 30 days before the event. And after that, if you're in that 30-day window, we'll give you credit towards a future event. So it is absolutely 100% worth investing right now in this event. Go ahead and mark off October 21st and 22nd on your calendar and know that you're going to be in Arlington, Virginia for the Great Legal Marketing National Summit. And you know what? We are so excited to have you there. It's going to be an amazing event. It is every year, but we've totally revamped it this year to make it those 2 events in one. So that way we maximize the travel that you do, because we know that you are busy folks, and we want to make sure that you get the most out of every single dollar and hour that you spend, both on your marketing and learning from us. Additionally, I should point out that you're going to be hooked up with a lot of really cool resources and vendors. Our vendors and our exhibitors and sponsors are heavily vetted. Not just anyone can come and play in our playground. So the resources that you're going to meet there are folks that we believe can actually help you improve your practice, many of which we have used in Ben Glass Law ourselves. So we're going to put you in a place with all of the resources necessary to make your practice better in 2017 than it has ever been before, more profitable, more suited to your lifestyle, a place that you actually like going to every single day, a place that is better for you, for your staff, and ultimately creating a lifestyle that's better for your family. And those are our guarantees, our promises to you. So don't delay anymore. Go ahead and get your ticket for the Great Legal Marketing National Summit right now. We look forward to seeing you in October.